This could possibly be the most dangerous race I've ever seen. But first place gets $20,000, so, you know, there are quite a lot of takers. It's called the World Figure 8 Championship. They're going to start crossing in front of each other at high speeds in a figure 8 formation. Honestly, guys, I can't believe something like this actually exists. So as the first and last cars start to move further and further apart, they have no choice but to start crossing in front of each other. Oh, you see? They're trying to find a second break in the line for them to fly through. Look at that guy, he's like, woohoo, I made it. And the other guy, no, he's like, no, I'm not risking it. He's just waiting. Oh, isn't that insane? This race goes for 3 hours, you guys. Imagine maintaining that kind of concentration for 3 hours. This is nuts. Look at that. They get a slight break. Through they go. They actually use the cars on either side of them as barriers. If one of them starts driving, then the other one's like, okay, if something happens, he'll get hit first. Wow. In a typical 3-hour race, drivers would intercept each other around 1,000 times. That's 1,000 opportunities for disaster. Look at this. This is absolutely nuts. This is a timed event with drivers attempting to get the fastest lap of the pack. Oh my god. You see how cautious some drivers are and just how nonchalant other drivers are. They're like, oh, I'm in it to win it, let's go. I mean, I'm surprised we haven't seen any major accidents yet, but keep in mind, they've got to keep this concentration up for 3 hours. This race has been going on since 1977. It's held annually. 28 cars start the race, but if someone drops out, then another car can join the pack. Oh my goodness.